Hello, I'm Peter from Quicke UK. I'm here to introduce you to the C series of skid steer buckets. The range in front of me is from 1.2 metres to 1.85 metres. In the format here we see it's in skid steer bracket arrangement. Moving on, we come to the multi-purpose bucket, which is commonly known as a 4-in-1. This range is available in skid steer from 1.2 metres to 1.8 metres. Like the larger buckets in our range, it has the HB 500 cutting edge. As you can see from here, the larger version, such as this one, has the serration with the ability to grab when the section is open to keep material in the section itself. This particular one is the 1.6 range to 2.1 metre range and the availability with Euro brackets. Moving on to the slightly larger version, again with a serration on the side for the ability to grab material, and again the HB 500 cutting section. This one is from 1.6 metres to 2.1 metres, and at this format it's with Euro brackets. Moving to the next range I can introduce you to is the XH, commonly known as the high tip. This is a 220 model and it has a 1.8 cubic metre capacity. Both this model and the larger one, which is the 260, has the ability to give an additional 1.2 metres in lift height to discharge the material into a trailer. This one is the 260 XH, and this one comes in at 2.2 cubic metres. This is the largest one in the family range, and it's available with bolt-on brackets for all 4 end loaders and material handlers. We'd love to hear from you. If there's any more information you would like, please contact us.